Unboxing the ZKTeco Swing Gate Opener.
So here are the operational installation kits. I have the control unit, also known as the control box. So the power is supplied to this and it supplies power to the other components. And I have this installation kit as well. It contains the screw, the remote controller, and the base for installation, and also the nuts and the bolts. And lastly, I have my two swivels here. So the two swivels are the ones mounted on the gate or our lock for swing. If you would like to get one of these beauties, kindly reach out to us via our website www.ZKTeco.com, or you reach out to us via the enquiries at zkteco.wa.com. Thank you.